I'm sure the security they were like, no, don't touch him, don't touch him, don't touch. People are like, we're going to touch him. He is our Guluva. This guy belongs to us. We are going to touch him. And wow, it's so amazing to see them coming out now. I think here they were going for the interview by the people, answer the question actually from people. So I like the way everyone's just looking for sweet Guluva. Not anyone, but sweet Guluva. Wow.